2022
Nissan Rogue Sport.
With less than 35,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It strikes the perfect balance of fun and function while offering lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, satellite radio, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, backup camera, tinted windows, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, rear spoiler, keyless entry, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer. Get pre-approved now and make this your next vehicle.